been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. Baby girl.
What would you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up or try again? If I hesitate to let you in, now would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys or keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off? Or would you stay up? First you don't succeed, then dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, and try again. Cause if at first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off.
Tire first peeping. Yes, so the room I have been catch. I'm going to show the room. See, the peeping is very clean. Around it, the entire surrounding. So here is here. This is one of the rooms. They are sleeping. There's one of the rooms I catch. Here is another one. Here is another one. Here is another one. There's a tree. And here is room 4. Room 4. Here are the 2 rooms that are not yet seen. 1 and 2. Come on, Jay. These are some cleaning we are carrying around. As you can see, we're taking a feed from the pig house down to do some cleaning, working because we are around the dry season. Okay, we just planted this. We just planted this planting. The one you are looking at here. He is Emmanuel. This is Emmanuel Colley. You can see we are all intact to the pig farm. Here is the first pig pen. So we are going towards the second pig pen, and you will be seeing the development of cleaning. I will carry